Good morning, class 8 mathematics. Today we have some very important part, that is geometry. Unit 4, chapter 12. Unit 4, chapter 12, class 8. In geometry, very important branch of mathematics. So today we have to start quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, quad the word है quad. Quad means four. Quad means that is a four. This is a explanation of quadrilateral. If you want to know what is quadrilateral, so you can understand with the name of this figure. So in simple definition, any figure which is enclosed by four sides, any figure which is enclosed by four sides, that is known as quadrilateral. Now you see A, B, C, D. This figure you can say quadrilateral because this figure is enclosed, bounded by four sides. So A, B, C, D, quadrilateral. This is a very ordinary definition, simple definition. And if you go into the deep, so I can explain another definition. If we take 4 points, if we take 4 points in a plane, and if no 3 points, no 3 points are in a straight line, and if we join them, you see, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the points A, B, C, D. And these are non-collinear points. These are collinear points and non-collinear points. If the points, if we join them and if we get a straight line, the points are called collinear points. In other words, you can understand the points which are lying in a straight line, they are called collinear, and non-collinear just opposite. If points are not in a straight line. In other words, if we join these points, we are not getting a straight line. Other figure will be 4. So that is called non-collinear. So you see the definition. If we take 4 points in a plane such that no 3 points collinear, no any 3 points in a straight line, and if we join them, a figure will be obtained, and that figure is called quadrilateral. Quad, that is meaning 4. So simple definition, quadrilateral, and simple definition as I told you, a figure surrounded, bounded, enclosed होना चाहिए. Now you see 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not quadrilateral. But why sir? Because this is not enclosed. We have 4 lines. We have 4 sides, but these 4 sides are not enclosing any region, and that's why they cannot be called quadrilateral. So I suppose you must have understood what is the meaning of quadrilateral. Now you see, in quadrilateral there are 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. So suppose this is the quadrilateral, so how many sides? AB or BA, both are same. AB, BC, CD, DA. These are four sides. An angle also formed, angle A in short form, angle B, angle C, angle B. And the points where two lines meet, that is called vertex. So how many vertices? There are four vertices. So vertices are A, B, C and D. So a quadrilateral has four sides, four angles, four vertices. Now you see, if we join the opposite vertices, AC and BD, so these two lines are called diagonals. क्या बोलते हैं? Diagonals. So diagonals are those line segments which joins any two opposite, not adjacent. So adjacent समझ लीजिए पहले. What are adjacent? What is the meaning of adjacent? A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. Four sides. Those sides which have common endpoint, that is called adjacent sides. इसको हिंदी में समझना चाहें तो ऐसा आस-पास के जो कहते हैं, जैसे देखिए A, B and B, C, adjacent side because they have common endpoint B. A, B and AD also common point A, so these are adjacent. CD and CB also adjacent. So adjacent side का मतलब the sides which have one common endpoint. And opposite side, those sides which have no common points, so AB and CD opposite sides. BC and AD opposite sides. So these two pairs of opposite sides and pair of adjacent sides बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DA, DA, AB. These are adjacent sides. So you have understood, and similarly the angles, these are opposite angles, angle A and angle C, which means the angles which have two separate sides. Angle का difference आप जानते हैं, when two sides meet at a point, angle is formed. So these two angles, A and C, opposite angle, and B and D, opposite angle. And similarly, the adjacent angles, बनेगा angle A and angle B, adjacent side, because these two angles have common sides AB. So common sides, if the angles which have one common side, that are adjacent angle, A angle B and angle C, and so you have understood adjacent angle, adjacent side, opposite side, and vertices मैंने कहा कि the point where all the lines join together, meet together, intersect, they are called vertices. So these are some basic points you should remember, and two important points, that is the sum of all angles of any quadrilateral is 360 degrees. What is the sum of all four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, is equal to 360 degrees. This is the first point, very important fact. And other important facts, if you extend, suppose this is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. तो नाम कहीं से भी बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन ऑर्डर में बोलना है. A, D, B, C गलत हो जाएगा. A, D, C, D कहीं से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. But we have to be very careful when we name the quadrilateral. So D, C, D, A, C, D, A, D, C, D, D, C, D, A, D, like this. So second point is, if we extend the sides of any quadrilateral in order. We have extended AB, we have extended BD, we have extended BC, we have extended CB, and we have extended BA. So be the exterior angle for the sum of these four exterior angles is also 360 degrees. So these 2 points you will remember. What are the points? The sum of all interior angles. यहाँ पर हम इंटीरियर लिख सकते हैं और लिखना चाहिए the sum of all interior angles of any quadrilateral is 360 degrees. And secondly, if the sides of any quadrilateral is extended, produced in order, यानी ABCD एक quadrilateral है तो AB को बढ़ाया फिर BC फिर CD फिर BA and these four angle interior angle इसका सम भी कितना आ जाएगा 360. तो इसको हम प्रूव करेंगे, लेकिन इसको देखिए फर्स्ट वाले पॉइंट को द सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल. देखिए क्वाड्रिलेटरल में किसी डायगोनल को मिला दीजिए, यू जॉइन BD और AC. तो सपोज वी हैव जॉइन BD, so this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. Here triangle ABB and triangle BBC, and we know that angle sum properties are playing. The sum of all angles of any quadrilateral is, the sum of all interior angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. So now you see, इसको हम इस तरह से वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं. एंगल 1 सुधा के लिए एंगल 3, एंगल 4, एंगल 5 and angle 6. So if you want to prove this first fact, so you can verify. You see here. So ABCD quadrilateral, you join any diagonal BD or AC. So we have 6 angles. So angle sum property say angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Number 1. Why this is? Because this is the property of triangle. And similarly, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to also 180 degree. What we are doing? We are trying to prove. Now adding 1 and 2. On adding 1 and 2 को ऐड कर लेंगे और 1 plus 3 plus angle 2, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 is equal to 180, 180, 360. Angle 1 को लिख दीजिए angle 8 और angle 3 को angle 3 plus 4 को उनको एक साथ कर लेंगे. तो 3 plus 4 क्या आ जाएगा? angle B, angle 2 और 5 को एक साथ हम कर लेंगे. ये आ जाएगा angle 6 तो angle C हो जाएगा और ये एंगल आ जाएगा angle D. So this is equal to 360 degrees. So this is the proof. What is the proof? The sum of all angles of any quadrilateral is 360. And next day I will explain the sides of a quadrilateral is extended in order. The exterior angle for the sum of this exterior angle is also 360. So that is very, very important. So today we are closing this topic, and tomorrow or next day when we will come again, I will explain this property and then we will come to the exercise. So quadrilateral, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.